Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude now trading at a level of $70.97. Okay, and chances are high that if the price sustain above this level, a probability of going towards a level of 70.5 will be there, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 68.7. As we have seen the Trump speech, what they have said that the price of crude can reduce OPEC to reduce the price. So from 78 it came down to a level of 70.97. If the price started falling below 70.4, because that is a level which is already being a weak support, so chances are high the price will fall further down and it can move towards a level of 70.4, and then from there a level of 69.3 to a level of $68.3. But if that sustain, we can see it can move towards 72 to a level of 76.18, because this U pattern is supporting, so chances of further upside will be there. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, 81.4 is a high we have seen. After that there is a fall towards a level of 70.97. Now if it sustained, we can see a level of 71.5, and if that sustained, we can see a further upside towards 73 to a level of 75.68, and then it can move towards $77. But if that didn't sustain, it can move towards $69 to a level of 67.58, and from there a further fall we can see towards $67. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index, which is important, if you see the crude price, suppose if the price sustain above a level of 108.096, we can see level of 108.5 to a level of 109, and if that sustain, we can see level of 109.5. Okay, and then to a level of $110. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that particular level, we can see it can move towards 107.5 to a level of 107, and then to a level of $106.5. So price, if the price fall below that level, we can see a further downfall will be there. So if the price sustain of dollar index, we can see upside, we can see the price of crude will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the price of crude will go up. Now coming back again on the crude price, what we can see there is a U pattern forming, and we have seen that yesterday on Friday the price was upside. So if the price sustain, we can see a level of $71.46, which is a strong resistance. So we can see a bounce back can come, or if it started sustaining over this level, we can see a further upside towards a level 71.9 to a level of $72.8. And once the price sustain above this level, we can see a level of $73.7 to a level of 75.13, and then we will see a further upside movement towards a level of around $76.8 after crossing a level of $76. Okay, and then once starting sustain was $77, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, because 76.8 is a strong support, strong resistance, so probably a further upside will be there. It can touch a level of 78.5. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, there is a chances that the price can go further down towards $70.4, which is already been a weak support. So chances are high the price will go further down towards say 69.8, and from there a level of $69.3. And if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $68.3. And once the price started falling below this level, we can see level of $67.7. Okay, and then if the price fall below that level, we can see a level of 66.9. Once started going below that particular level, chance of touching 66.4 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout. So further fall we can see towards $65.9, and then a further fall we can see towards 65.27. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, we will see that the price can go further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video.